yata yung sunod. Ay, pagkagano'n. Ako sunod. Sa pagsunod.
Why are pageants still relevant in our society?
Being pageants for me is just about beauty. It's about purpose. And I'm standing in front of you today because I have a purpose, and that is to share my words and to be able to inspire others through my advocacy. And I think that is one of the values true beauty queen has, and basically beauty pageants too. Thank you.
For Mutya ng Pilipinas.